guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY paper tassels. These are so cute and simple, easy to make. You can use this for your bag accessories or keychains or anything you like. So this is made from a simple white paper and these are made from a color paper. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before heading into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. And the first step is you're going to take any of the color paper. I'm going to choose pink today. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so without any talking, I'm just going to show you and just follow the same steps as shown and you'll get your final tassel. So first step is fold the paper in half and cut this. And here it is. Keep one paper aside for later use. And again just fold this in half. Something like this. Then fold one more step just like this. And take a scissors. Then just unfold this. You'll get one crease here, as you guys can see. And we are going to cut some strands till there. So let's cut this till the end, just like this. And now I'm going to open up this paper. Something like this. And I'm going to cut this in half, as you guys can see this crease. And keep one aside. And now what we are going to do is fold this something like this. And when you come to the end, just glue this. And at the last it will look something like this. Then we are going to take the another stripe and attach this to it with the help of some glue. And just roll this. So here we go, our tassel is ready. Now we are going to make this part, this one. So for this we are going to take our leftover paper and cut out a small square. Just fold. And here we have. Now I'm going to put some glue on this. I'm just going to put some glue here. Then we are going to place it in the middle. Now we are going to fold this 4 sides. And let this dry for 10 seconds. And now use the leftover paper to make this little loop, this one. So I've just cut out a piece of square. Now I'm going to roll this and glue the end. Here we have this something, and with the help of a filer I'm going to flatten this up. just like this. Now let's make this chain part. So with the help of a leftover paper, I made this one more stick. Now again I'm going to flatten this up, just like this. So guys, it's almost ready. Now it's time to cover this thing. So I've cut out a little stripe here, and I'm just going to glue and cover the whole thing just like this. So guys, here is our tassel ready. To make it look quite decorative, I'm going to use the stones and stick on it. So guys, here is our pretty cute tassel ready. So here it is. So if you like the video guys, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. So bye guys, stay blessed.